X1 Pro Laser Welder Installation and Safety Training Guide. Unpack the received goods and take out all the items. List of the main unit and accessories in the packing box. Safety training on laser welding. Safety is our top priority. Before using the Xlaserlab X1 Pro, please carefully watch this video. Please read the safety instructions for the product strictly. Follow all the safety instructions and regulations. Safety is our top priority. Always ensure you are wearing the proper protective equipment. Goggles can protect your eyes from laser beams at the wavelength of around 1100 nanometers. Operating temperature, -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Always use the product in a laser-controlled area with laser safety barriers. Ensure that everyone entering the laser-controlled area has been trained in laser safety and worn all the necessary personal protective equipment. X1 Pro Installation Guide. Laser processing uses shielding gas. Connection between welding machine, main unit, and wire feeder. Welding machine power connection. Install the external emergency stop button.
Connect to a 110 to 220 volt socket.
Attach one end of the feeding tube to the wire feeder. Install the spool of welding wire. Feed the welding wire through the wire guide tube.
Hold wire feed until the wire exits the tube. Attach the opposite end of the wire feeding tube to the torch. Lock the wire guide tube firmly. Workpiece sensing cable. Connect the workpiece sensing cable to port. Clip the workpiece induction cable chuck onto the workpiece or the conductive workbench. Insert the metal key into the key switch, turn it to the on position, and confirm that the installation is complete. Safety training on laser welding. 1. How a laser beam travels. Now let's begin with understanding how a laser beam travels. The welding head emits two types of laser beams. One is a visible red beam used for positioning, and the other is an invisible high-power infrared beam used for processing. The infrared laser beam will diverge from the focal point and create a cone of radiation. As the beam moves away from the focal point, its power density decreases, even though the laser power is weakened. As the beam gets farther from the welding head, it can still be high enough to cause harm to skin and eyes. 2. Important safety measures. Everyone inside the laser-controlled area should wear the following protective equipment: laser safety goggles or face shield. Laser safety eyewear certified for OD8 or greater at 1100 nanometers. Laser and heat-resistant clothing and gloves, and a dust mask. Never look directly into the laser outlet or point the outlet at any body part. Ensure that a fire extinguisher and other safety equipment are available in the laser processing area. Do not place flammable or combustible materials in the laser processing area. 3. Key components and controls of the welder. Now, let's walk through the key components and controls of the laser welder. Emergency stop button. In case of any exception, press the button to immediately shut off the machine. To restart the machine, rotate and pull out the button. The desktop emergency switch, located near the workbench, serves the same function and can also be pressed to quickly cut off the laser emission in case of any abnormality. Click E-Stop Reset on the operation interface to cancel the emergency state. Rotate the key switch to on to enable the laser processing function. Usually drive the airflow to about 15 liters per minute. 4. Welding operations on the touchscreen. Wire feeding and turn on the switch. When the torch tip touches the workpiece and the circuit is turned on, the circuit icon is in a green state. The ready light is constantly on. The green light on the torch tip S flashes, indicating that the machine is ready to emit laser. Press the firing trigger to start laser welding. During laser welding, do not hold the workpieces in your hand or place your hand under the workpieces, as the heat generated by welding can burn the skin. Operate with the torch head and workpiece at a 45-degree angle. Laser beams can reflect from multiple surfaces. Diffuse reflection from rough surfaces can spread over a large area. Always stay alert to the danger of laser radiation during welding. Only observe the weld pool from behind the welding head. Do not choose any other position for observation. If anyone stands in the laser reflection zone, stop laser emission immediately. Do not place your hands in front of the dot, as misalignment could cause the laser to hit your skin. Keep people away from the laser reflection zone. Never look into the laser outlet. Always remain vigilant during laser processing. If you find any potential risks, stop laser emission immediately.
Operators must also wear necessary respiratory protective equipment to pause the machine, deactivate the enable wire feeding, and enable lasering functions. 5. Stop processing. If you have finished processing, turn off the machine's power and gas supply. Following these steps and adhering to the safety instructions can help promote a smooth and safe welding experience. We hope your laser welder helps you achieve outstanding results. Thank you for watching.